Hello and welcome, you good people of the internets, and welcome to my new little segment I would like to call, Hey, I built a thing. I built a thing. What am I going to show you today? Well, except for the fact that I'm trying to build large things for like companies and businesses and stuff, I also like to build things that make my life a little bit easier. So imagine sitting at your workplace all day and your day just going and going and going, and you're just doing your job, not really thinking about what you are doing. And this kind of bothered me. So I wasn't aware of all of the things that I was doing during the day. So I decided to write a little script for it. It utilizes OpenAI Vision, and it can see what I'm doing during the days. Those are things we're going to get back to. Doing whatever. Let's hop into the script and see what it does. So this is what I like to call the screenshot analyzer, or rather screen watching job thingy analyzer or something. So what it does is that this utilizes OpenAI. OpenAI Vision, which is OpenAI's model for looking at things that happens on the internet. Claude also has this kind of new model called Use Computer, which I'm not really familiar with yet. I'm going to dig deeper into that. But OpenAI Vision for me has always worked, so that's kind of why I'm sticking to it. So what it does is that it looks at what I'm doing on my screen. It can see everything I do on my screen, and as you see in the background, there's something that says auto refresh every 5 seconds. We're going to get to that in a moment. But first, let's start this screenshot analyzer here and see what it does. So we're getting analysis started, and that's good. We want that. So now what it does is the balloon here and took a screenshot, and now it does the analysis of what it sees on the screen at the moment. This is going to send it to this. So here, if I press refresh now, we're seeing that now I got a new update that says the user is monitoring system activities using an application called Activity Monitor, which displays recent activity logs with timestamps. And this is exactly what we want. So how am I getting this onto this page right here, and how was I thinking? This little piece of tool that I can bring it up again. Here we go. So this tool actually works this way, that it uses OpenAI. And then you also can see here that it says CSV and Google Sheets. It passes all the information that I'm getting, you see now in the background, onto a CSV file. For those of you who don't know what a CSV file, it's kind of a file where you, kind of like a Google Sheet, I'd say, for the simplicity of it, gathers data and sorts it into the kind of columns and stuff that you want. So that in turn then sends it to Google Sheets, where I can pretty much go fetch this information from wherever I am. So I don't have to rely on this computer. So that goes into Google Sheets, and then this page has a Google, authorization background built into it, and it's also running locally. So what this does is that it fetches that information from the Google Sheet and then returns it onto this page. This project is not quite finished yet, so what I intend to do with this is build another OpenAI analyzer on top of this that is going to actually find the common threads during all of what I do during the days, and then put that inside something of a planning tool, which I'm getting to later. So basically, many things that I do has like there's a red thread going past it, and then there's like an end goal where I can see what I'm actually doing. So that was the point with this. So that's today's I Did a Thing. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you get inspired. Click subscribe and like this video and all that good stuff, and links and things are going to be down there. And what else? Nothing right now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.